Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates. How to unpublish an article on a specified date in Joomla 3.X. Log into your Joomla dashboard. Let's go to the front end of the website. As you can see, one of the article is published on 29th April 2022 and the other one is published on 19th May 2021. Let's say for some reason we have to stop showing this article after certain date. To do that, go back to your Joomla dashboard, hover your mouse on the Content tab. Select Articles from the drop-down menu to open Article Manager. Click on the title of the article to open it. Go to the Publishing tab. Click on the date icon next to Finish Publishing. Select your preferred date and time. For the demo purpose, I have given today's date. Click on Save and Close. Settings is saved. Now go to the front end of the website and hit refresh. As you can see, the article gets unpublished on that specific date you have mentioned in the backend. This is how you can unpublish an article on a specified date in Joomla 3.x. Thank you for watching.